We do a lot of in vitro cell growth and viral propagations and process and purifications just for the customer orders according to sales demands.
So given the nature of our products, the recipes are very complex. So on a day-to-day basis, we could be receiving hundreds of different materials.
As it begins, the purchasing team will order the required raw material for each department, and the shipper and receiver will then receive these items, which will be furthermore inspected by our quality control team.
As they arrive, they're logged into our inventory system
by the inventory coordinator, which is myself, and then all departments in the company have access to this material. It is then considered finished inventory. Once it is finished inventory, it is then prepped for shipment globally to any of our customers.
At which time our technicians will have them available for use.
As we've established that the manufacturing process at Microbix can be quite complex.
The core manufacturing here, they are the ones that produce the diagnostic antigens. So all the materials that come in are brought into our containment suite, at which time they are assembled in very controlled environments.
It's a viral production, we do it here, so therefore safety is important. So we also have gowning procedures to be followed in order to work inside, and also the facility is also maintained with certain criteria to carry out the processes.
Our facility is HEPA filtered, which is high efficiency particulate air filtration, which provides a very clean environment for our staff to work in. This is important as we're working with infectious agents.
All of them are always monitored, and also all the equipments and all the maintenance and everything is all monitored day-to-day activities, just to make sure all the process is carried out without any interruptions.